Hello everyone, it is Susan here. In this video, I am going to work on the inside of the cover for my 2021 December daily. I'm going to use some paper dolls that I've already cut out. I'm going to use some jelly printed deli paper. Yeah, and we're just going to kind of do this and get the inside done because I did already gut it, so I took all the pages out already. So now I just want to work on the inside before we go ahead and add the pages inside of it. Okay, so I'm going to use this piece of deli paper. I do have more here, but I decided on this one because it fits perfectly for what I need. So I'm just going to put that to the side. All right, I'm going to use Liquitex Matte Medium. And I'm just trying to get that in frame. And we can go ahead and begin. I think what I'll do is let me just put some deli paper down just so that I don't make a total mess of my desk. Alrighty, the first thing that I want to do is I want to reinforce the spine. This is an old Reader's Digest condensed book from 1966. So like I said, I've already cut out the middle. I think what I'll use is some tacky glue. All I did was cut down a piece of brown packaging paper, and I just want to, like I said, get it on there just to help to reinforce it. All right, so I'm just going to get this down. All right, that looks good. All right, I'm just going to push it all down in the middle here. Any extra that comes out, you just go ahead and wipe it up. And keep pushing, just making sure it's adhered really well. Now we're going to work on getting on the deli paper. So it's kind of weird that this one piece of deli paper is ever so slightly bigger than the rest. I don't know why, but if you can see it, like I just want to cover up that green, or certainly the majority of it. Yeah, and it just fits really. So what I'm gonna do, like it fits this way. I have to cut it that way. But what I'll do, let me kind of look here for a second. All right, let me get my trimmer. Oops. And I know I can cut off the ends. All right, that's gonna work. That's what we need, right there. All right, so what I'm going to use now is Liquitex Matte Medium. And I think I'm just gonna pour it right onto the book. So let me move this over a little bit like that. And I'm gonna spread it around. All right, so I think what I'll do is this. So we're gonna do basically almost half at a time. Okay, all right. Move that over, fold this back, and let's do the rest. All right, so I'm gonna have some gush out of here. That's okay, I'm just gonna wipe that up. Just kind of push it down. Now, since I am using a wet adhesive, the matte medium is like an adhesive, it's going to crunkle just a little bit, but I'm not gonna push that glue out or anything. I keep calling it glue. It's really just the matte medium. Because what I want to do next is get these. Oh my gosh, they're like the perfect sizes on top, on the two sides. Oh my gosh, is that cute? And then I also have these two little pieces. So it was fabric. These are fabric. So what am I going to use to get them down? I could use matte medium, but I don't think I want to. I think I'm going to use, oh, you know what? I have Fabri-Tac. See, what I don't know, I don't even think I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. I'm going to use a glue stick. I do have these two, you know, maybe I'll put that there. I like that. Let me put that one there. And then we'll do the back. Good. Okay, let's work on her. All right, so she looks good. So let's get this over here. Okay, they are down. The inside cover is done. all I used on that fabric was Elmer's washable school glue. That's all that I used, and they are down. They feel really good. This closes up nicely. I like it. I like it. So what will happen in my next video about this December daily is we will put on the, whatever I decide, I haven't decided yet, but some sort of string or, strong twine type, like a little, like, this is like a ropey. This is really beautiful stuff. I don't think I have enough of it though for the December daily. And then the signatures are held in by these, so I can pull the pages out to work on them. So that will be the next step in this process. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will be glad to get back to you. All right, thanks everyone. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.